Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, and I'm here to share in this video. In this month, we're bringing my membership sites to the marketplace with my mentorship and coaching program. Right now, you'll still be able to come here and check out some free content and different topics and different things that you used to come here to do until my membership site go live. And when that happens, you'll have to be a part of my membership site in order to get the value that I give on my free YouTube channel at this point. Because the whole purpose of me coming on YouTube was to get exposure, to build my brand, to show people that I have skills, knowledge in the primary business arena that I'm out here to market, which is the tax preparation and mentorship and coaching business. And so this channel was the platform that I chose to help me to get that done. And so a lot of people who find true value in what I bring to the marketplace through my YouTube channel, I'm looking to convert over to membership clients. And so if you're not willing to invest in yourself by investing in what I bring to the marketplace to help you start your own income tax business, to help you grow your income tax business, then you're not the client that I'm looking for. You're not the client that I'm talking to when I create my videos on a regular basis. And so my message is to the person who understands and appreciate that I'm trying to get somewhere, and I need to connect with someone who's already where I want to be when it comes to starting your own income tax service, and who can walk me through making that happen on a streamlined basis, other than me going to forums and Facebook groups and hanging out and answering all these mundane questions where I still have to make a decision when it's all said and done on what I'm going to do with the information that's given. So what I bring to the marketplace as a solution is you have someone with 19 years of experience, 13 as a business owner, who specializes in helping people who already in this industry, who are looking to transition on starting their own tax business, who don't have to guess how to get that done. Who don't have to try to figure out what I need to do next. I've been there and done that already for you. And so my membership site is going to be my go-to platform where I'm going to bring all my new training, mentorship, and coaching to my clients through will be my membership site sometime this month. Like I said, I'll keep you posted on that, but that's where I'm headed when it comes to this channel. And so if you enjoy my content, if you want to utilize and maximize what I have to offer when it comes to helping you start your own income tax business, to help you either grow a tax business you already got started, you need some help with that, and you truly don't know how to get that done because you don't have the experience and knowledge and insight I have from being here as long as I have, then I suggest hopefully that you come to be a client on my membership site. I'll be doing an ebook as well sometime this month that's going to support and bring people to my membership site for a small fee. Because like I say, I'm here to maximize and grow my business by using YouTube and using different other social media platforms and other platforms on the internet to bring awareness, to build my brand, to let people know who I am, what I had to offer, and what's in it for you if you connect with me based on my message to the marketplace. That's what it's all about. And so the education that I have, the education I'm acquiring, the education I'm constantly getting is what I'm using to bring to the marketplace that allow me to grow my traditional brick and mortar income tax service and coaching franchise. And so if you're looking to do the same, and it doesn't have to be an income tax service, it could be any business you have in general where you want to be able to leverage the internet and to build and grow a profitable, sustainable, long-term business for yourself, then the educational piece that's missing, that's the disconnect for you, like it was for me, that I have access to, then you definitely want to make sure you're willing to invest in that so you can grow and take your business to where you want to take it. I have a mentor and a coach who has a program that I'm in that allow me to take the skills I already have and learn how to leverage the internet in such a way to build and grow that business and take it to a level where I have financial freedom and time freedom in my life once I get it to where I want it to go. And so if you're a person that already got skills, you're a person that already got knowledge, you're a person that already got a passion and good at something, and you want to be able to leverage that by using the internet, and you don't know how to do it because I didn't know how to do it. So I had to find someone who already knew how to do something I didn't know how to do, that helped me to grow my business, and I found that person, then I'm now making that person available to you, to let you check it out and see if she's a good fit for you like she was for me. I'll be leaving information in the description area of this video and all my other videos to that person that I'm working with, who is my mentor and coach, when it comes to the information that she's given me to help me to grow my business. And the information that she's giving you is evergreen because it helps you to grow whatever type of business you already have. You know what I'm saying? So if you're looking to come online to make income, to start an online business, and you already have a skill set, you already have knowledge, you already have a passion for something, and you just don't know how to bring that together and make a business out of it, then this program that I'm talking about called Create Mode can definitely be a good fit for you if you just want to leverage and take advantage of the skills and knowledge that you already have. And that's what the situation was for me, where I already had some skills and knowledge, and I wanted to leverage the internet to make it happen. But I had to find somebody who had the right message, who had the right fit, who had the right intent, who had my best motives, my best interests at heart, and connect with, who had a program and some information that I can invest in that was going to allow me to get that done. And I found that person. You know, so this month, my membership site will be up and running. My ebook will be up and running. Both of those things are paid products because I'm looking for people who looking to seriously invest in their business and seriously invest in starting to grow them a business that's going to allow them to get the time freedom and financial freedom they're looking to have in their life. Maybe you're just looking to make an extra $500 or $1,000 a month, leveraging what skills, the knowledge you already have. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what your story is, but the point is, the missing link is the knowledge. Without the knowledge, you have nothing. And so people take knowledge as power. No, knowledge by itself is not power if you don't use the knowledge. So if I go read the book, if I go take the courses, if I get all this knowledge and information under my belt, but I never take it and implement it inside my business, then it has no power because you don't even get to see it. And that's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? When the people talk about knowledge and power. Knowledge is power only when you implement the knowledge inside your life, inside your business. You know what I'm saying? That's how that works. So if you're looking to grow your business, if you're looking to come online and take the knowledge and skills you already have to leverage the internet to start your business, and you don't know how to do it, because I didn't know how to do it, but I found someone who can show me how to get it done, I'm going to leave in my video in the description area access to her so you can check her out, and at the same time keep you posted on my membership site that's coming this month, as well as my ebook that's coming this month. Those will be 2 paid products that's going to cost you to invest in if you want to work with me. I'm here to grow my business. I'm here to build my business. I'm here to expand my business. I'm not here with a non-for-profit. I'm not here to do anything free on my life. I'm here to grow and build my business, to be able to enjoy my life and do the things I want to do with my life on my terms. And the only way I can make that happen is by bringing my own products and services to the marketplace for a fee that's going to allow me to get that done. And so if you're looking to get the same thing done in your life and you want to identify with this message and you want to learn more about what I'm talking about, just follow me. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so every time I upload a video or go live, which I'll be starting to do more and more this month, you get to check me out and follow me on my journey. And so if you identify with my message, you identify with this video, and you're on the same page I'm on, where I'm trying to go with me already having the business in the marketplace, you know, like I said, if you're brick and mortar, or it doesn't really matter what niche you're in, what category you're in, what you have, and you want to be able to leverage the internet and bring it to the marketplace in such a way that's going to allow you to grow it and build it and expand it and sustain it and make it profitable, and you're missing the knowledge that you need to make that happen, then like I say in the video, inside the description, I'm going to leave you information with a link that's going to take you to my mentor coach who has a program that may be a good fit for you. You know what I'm saying? Please leave me your comments concerning anything you might want to see at this point for a certain type of tax return done, a certain schedule or form filled out. Because like I say, as I transition over to my membership site, all the training and things that I'm doing will be done under the membership site only once that situation goes live. Right now, I'm still giving you out free content until that happens. And so if you're looking to start and grow a business, you're serious about doing some things with your life and living a better way of life, and you had enough of being sick and tired of being sick and tired, and you're just ready to give it your all and make up your mind that you're going to give it your all, you're going to put your whole foot in, not just to dip your toe in the water, but you're going to make this your new way of life by leveraging the internet to bring your business to it, by learning the skills and having the knowledge you need to make that happen, then follow me. You know what I'm saying? Check me out. You know what I'm saying? Get on my list. Start to get my emails from me, because, like I said, my membership site is coming soon. My ebook is coming soon, and this channel here will definitely change from free content to you going to a membership site to be able to learn and grow and build your business by working with me. And I'll see you in my next video.